गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर डे। तो एक्चुअली लास्ट वीडियो में आप लोगों को बताया नहीं पाया था। आई हैव शिफ्टेड माई बेस लोकेशन फ्रॉम मुंबई टू बड़ौदा एंड आज का वीडियो में वी आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम बड़ौदा टू स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी। द प्लेस नेम इज़ केवाड़िया एंड विच इज़ अराउंड 88 kilometers from Baroda, and if you are coming from Surat it will be around 150 kilometers. Now we have come almost half the way. तो हाईवे में एक जगह पे रुके थे और वहाँ पे यही पीछे वाला जो होटल में यहाँ पे रुके थे, वहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह कर लिया हम लोगों ने। अभी आगे जाएंगे, ऑलमोस्ट 40 किलोमीटर्स बचे हैं। एंड दोज हु आर हैविंग सीरियस प्रॉब्लम विद इंडियन रोड्स कि भाई इंडिया का रोड्स अच्छा नहीं होता है, आई एम सीरियसली सजेस्टिंग देम टू कम टू गुजरात। एंड हियर यू विल फाइंड द स्टेट रोड्स आर ऑल्सो सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो ब्यूटिफुली मेंटेन्ड विद ऑल लेन मार्किंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग। यू विल बी सीरियसली अमेज्ड एंड सरप्राइज्ड। चलो आगे का आपको वीडियो थोड़ा दिखाएंगे रोड्स का, एंड वंस वी रीच स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी वी विल स्टार्ट ब्लॉगिंग अगेन। So this is for me also first time I'm exploring Gujarat, and there are a lot of beautiful places around Gujarat, and I am going to explore majority of them in next 2 to 3 months. So reached the place, Statue of Unity, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के ऊपर जो बनाया गया है। आगे टिकट काउंटर है, चलो देखते हैं प्राइस कितना है टिकट का। देखो टिकट लेना हो गया अपना। तो बेसिकली देयर आर 17 पॉइंट्स टू कवर in this area, Statue of Unity area, jungle safari, then obviously Statue of Unity, then butterfly garden, cactus garden, then other activities, tent area. So you cannot complete all these places in a single day. You need at least 4 to 5 days. So this is my first day. So I've taken ticket for only 2 places. That is, one is your Statue of Unity and second one is jungle safari. कम सीधे
ठीक है, ऊपर वाला जो
हाँ वही सर,
वही
तो आप पहुँच जाओगे सर। आप एक बार एंट्री ले लिए तो आपको एंट्री, आप क्राउड भी कम है तो आपको एंट्री नहीं
Big. Wow. Look at it.
This is another bus stop.
Carefully.
Oh my God.
Wait for mama. Wow. So we have reached the main bus stand. From here you get all the connecting buses to all 17 points. So we will first go to the Statue of Unity, which is just in front of us. So this statue is basically of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was our first deputy prime minister as well as the home minister, and he was also called the Iron Man of India, because of he single-handedly united all the 562 provinces, princely provinces of India during the independence. सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जो है इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के सबसे ऊंचे दर्जे के लीडर थे, और जैसे कि बोल रहा था इंडिपेंडेंस के टाइम पे व्हेन वी गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश, एट दैट टाइम देयर वर वन सेकंड, आई थिंक वी नीड टू कीप आवर लगेजेस इन द लॉकर रूम. सब कुछ आपको लॉकर रूम में रख देना है. यू कैन ओनली टेक योर मोबाइल, वाटर बॉटल, पर्स. No bags are allowed. See that boat rides also we can have. Cruise. मौसम काफ़ी सुहाना हो रखा है. So beautiful weather today. Temperature भी it will be around 26-27 degrees centigrade. We will go till the toe of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. कौन सा है?
ये एग्जिट है, आगे से एंट्री होगा.
लोक पुरुष ने लोह से अखंड बनाया भारत, आजादी की नींव पर खड़ी हुई है.
Basically this place was started commencing in the year 2014. Actually when Narendra Modi, now Prime Minister, then Chief Minister, 2013, he announced this project, and it was finished in the year 2018, and it was open for public since then, 2018. And the total cost is around 2.6 billion. I'm not too sure about it, the cost of the project. And the statue, what you can see, is made of steel, brass, and coated with brass and copper. So that is why you can see the color of the this thing statue is somewhat like, you know, reddish. Okay, but you know, with time it will turn into green, just like, you know, your Statue of Liberty, what you see in New York City. This one also will, like, you know, its color will change to greenish with, you know, all these pollution and everything, and it has already been, you know, turned into somewhat green. As you can see reddish and greenish kind of patches there.
Look, there is another. So, three customers. Hey, Papa, see, there is
The scale of this place is so big, like you can never imagine this without, you know, coming to this place. This is the tallest statue in the entire world, yeah, and it is at the height of 182 meters without the basement. Only the statue has 180 meters, 82 meters, and the second next to it, the second position, sorry, and the second position is in China, that is your Spring Temple Buddha statue, which is, I think, at the height of 127 meters. Chalo, let's go inside. Let's get into the travelator mode. Yeah. So big, like, you know, आगे जाके मेरे ख्याल से ऊपर देखने के लिए इट विल बी सो डिफिकल्ट. हम लोग वो रास्ते से आए थे. Oh man.
Hey, Papa, can I go to the escalator?
Wow, look at the size of the fit.
It's a garden.
That's the toe. Yeah, we have taken ticket to come till the toe itself. And as I was mentioning earlier, if you have taken the ticket of 380 rupees, in that case there is a elevator inside, which will take you till the chest of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and you can get bigger majestic view of this place. But we have taken the ticket only till the toe of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But I think this is also more than sufficient. Like the view from here is also majestic. You can't even see the head of Sardar Patel from here. You can see till the west part. This is made of steel and coated with brass and copper, so that is why this red color you can see. Okay, and with the time it will turn into green due to oxidation and other thing. And one more thing is like this structure was designed by our Indian sculptor. His name is Mr. Ram Sutar from Maharashtra Dhule district. He is the person who designed this structure, Statue of Unity. That's the Sardar Dam. Sardar Sarovar is backside of that. जहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारा वाटर अम्यूजमेंट एक्टिविटीज रहते हैं. I think as I was mentioning earlier also, you need minimum 4 to 5 days to complete all the destinations, to cover all the points. There are total 17 points and we have taken for 2 because we already we started late from our flat, and we, as always, we reached late and we could maximum cover only 2 points. So we have taken the points on the Statue of Unity and the jungle safari. So after exploring this place, we'll take the bus to the jungle safari. Okay. Now we are going down and we'll reach to the same bus stand from where we have to take bus for the jungle safari. The place is so beautifully maintained. I cannot find a single garbage over here. I mean, this is the proof, like in India also we can keep the places clean. Only thing is that you have to be very, very serious about the maintenance and cleanliness part.
Hey Papa, I have something to tell you.
Yeah.
We are going to the bus stand. We are going to another place and see something.
Yes, that's correct.
And
He is absolutely right.
Up is the jungle safari.
Yes. One India, great India. It's been written in all languages. Like first one is English, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. I don't know, where is Bengali? Bengali is here. Ek Bharat Shreshto Bharat. I think this is Bengali. The other one is Assamese. Ek Bharat Shreshto Bharat. See, our language is also there. Ek Bharat Shreshto Bharat. The symbol of our unity with all those diversities. You get this kind of free water bottle filling stations here. One is this side and another one is that side. Only thing is that you have to bring your water bottle and they will fill it for you for fuel. Chalo, that's all from this point. I'll start a new vlog with the next point, which is the jungle safari point. Take care, see you, bye.